So this is the first time we're doing Morning Circle online, which means on our computer, laptop, iPad, or tablet. So I want to show you guys how to finish the assignment for Morning Circle. So you're going to flip to the next page. The next page says good morning. So you're going to turn on the song by clicking the play button or the triangle. Okay, and it'll start playing and you'll hear the music. When you hear the music, you can say good morning to your family members or whoever's at home. So it's a choice that you have. For good morning, you can give your family a high five, you can give them a fist bump, or you can give them a good morning hug. After this page, you're going to focus on days of the week, and just like the good morning song, you're going to play the play button. The song will start playing, and as the song is playing, you can say the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. The next page on this Google slide is the months of the year. Whenever you see this triangle play button, you're going to press it and a video will start playing for you. So for this assignment, it says directions. Move the heart around this page to get used to moving it on your laptop, tablet, or iPad. Only click and move the heart. So if you're on your laptop or computer, you're going to click it with your mouse. So click, you're going to drag it around. If you're on your tablet or iPad, which doesn't have a keyboard, you're going to use your finger to press it. So you're going to press, and then you're going to drag it around. So do you see how the heart is moving everywhere in the direction that you want it to go? If you happen to make a mistake, if you look on the top of the Google slide on the left-hand corner, there's an arrow button that looks like this right here. You're just going to click it, and that button means undo. So it's going to undo whatever mistake you made. For the next page, the directions say type, oops, that's supposed to say in. Let's fix it. In today's date in the correct box. So it's the month of April. Yesterday was Sunday, April 12th. And just like we said during our Morning Circle video, we said 13 comes after 12. So you're going to, I'll show you that again. You're going to click on the box. Your cursor will blink like that. That means it's ready for you to type. So you're going to type in 1, 3 for 13. And that's all you need to do on this page. If you move on, the question now says, what month are we in? Directions, move the heart next to the correct month. So this is where we're going to click or press, and you're going to move it in the box next to the correct month. And what month are we in? We are in April. So that's how you're going to show me the correct answer. The next slide says, what day of the week is it today? So we're going to move our heart next to the correct day. We said it is Monday. It's the beginning of the week. The next question says, what day of the week was it yesterday? And so, what comes before Monday? Sunday comes before Monday. So that means yesterday was Sunday. On to the next slide. What day of the week will it be tomorrow? So if today is Monday, that's usually where we always start to get the correct answer. The day that comes after Monday is Tuesday. So let's move that heart to Tuesday. Now it's time for the weather report. What is today's weather? So today's weather, where I live, it's cloudy. So you can put it anywhere in the rectangle that says the word cloudy. For class rules, this page is just for you to read and remind yourself. So these were our old class rules. We can still follow them. The new class rules that I want everyone to focus in on is listen to directions, listen to your family, no giving up, wash your hands for 20 seconds, and stay at home. to the next page, it says, let's have a good day. So to remind ourselves what that means or looks like, we have our I can follow the rules video and the whole body listening video. So remember, whenever you see this play button, you're going to click it to play the video. And then once you're done once you're done watching this video, you're going to go on to the next one. And then if you want to pause it, you pause the 2 lines right here. That means pause or stop. After watching those videos, there's one more page that we need to do work on. It says, what type of day do you want to have? Directions, move your face to the color you want to be in. So this is me. So I'm going to press or click on my picture. And I'm going to move myself on what color I want to be. I don't want to be on red. I don't want to be on stop and think either. I would like to be on green, ready to learn. But if you want to have a really good day, you can move yourself to great. So that means you want to have a great day, or for the best day, you can go on super, purple. So it's up to you and the actions that you make, what kind of day you guys want. And here, like we went over in our morning circle video, everyone starts on green because it's a new day. And the last page says, yay, you're all done with our calendar and weather report. Now it's time for English and math.